Here we are in Malawi, Africa, and I thought I'd show you what a lot of people do that don't want to spend much money. They'll build a house. They'll just buy a piece of land like this. It happens to have a hill like that, and they'll just dig out the clay dirt right there and form them into blocks, bricks like that. Lay them out in the sun like this, and then build a house like that there. Now that whole thing's going to cost about $200 to build that house. The problem is when you use the same bricks to build your foundation, then basically you got a dirt house on a dirt foundation, and this is what happens right here. It starts to settle and you get huge cracks like that, and then you got nothing but problems. Now the other house there behind it looks like they did a better job on that one. They did a lot better job on this one, but still you're talking about a dirt house with a dirt foundation. And when you only want to spend $200 on your house, and basically that's for the roofing metal, they could have taken logs. I mean, there's plenty of pine trees right here, lots of them. They could have just built the house out of logs or squared them off and made timbers, made a log cabin, made them into boards and made a regular house if they wanted to. Or if you want to spend some more money, you can make one with a cement foundation like that one. And for $1,000 you got a good house with a good foundation. Now they opted for the outdoor plumbing and shower, which is over there, right here. But the house itself is really nice. I mean, for what it is, for this area. Beautiful house. And that house will be there a long time. Now we are considering buying all that over there. Haven't done it yet. But we bought all this over here. We had dirt brought in. We paid $30 US for a dump truck full of dirt to come to fill this hole in that we had here. Somebody dug dirt out of it, God knows how long ago, and they brought all this dirt in. And then we'll pay a couple of local guys a couple dollars a piece, and they'll fill the hole in and smooth it out. But we just bought all this in here, all that over there, all that up through there and over there. And we're going to build, I think, 2 duplexes here for rentals. But anyway, I thought I'd show you what people do here. And I mean, there aren't any building codes, there isn't any zoning, there aren't any inspectors. You can do literally anything you feel like doing. You could pile up a huge pile of semi-tires and bore a hole in the middle of it and live there if that's what you want to do. You could cut the trees yourself. You could build the house yourself. You could do the electrical and plumbing yourself. You can do whatever you want to do here. And like I said, I bought this land, so I mean, there's no problem with foreigners owning land here. The only mistake these people made is that they just laid the bricks out in the sun to dry them instead of actually building a fire and baking them like you're supposed to. You're supposed to fire clay bricks to make them last. And these ones over here obviously were not made here. They were professionally fired somewhere else. But these ones, these are local made. And all those are local made. And that's the reason that you have that problem right there. That house is 3 years old and it's fallen to pieces already. But anyway, leave questions you may have, comments you may have. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for your time.